Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open savings account on Fnb app, which is the new method. So basically what you need to do is actually head over to Google and search for Fnb savings account, and then click on the first website that comes up, and then you see this get it now option. You have to click in this one. Now it says that to get this product you need to have an Fnb checking account. So if you have already a check account, you have to click on this, but if you don't have one, then you have to click on I don't have a check account. So from there, what you need to do is at first open like a check account first, so they'll guide you through the entire process. Let's wait for this website to load up in the meantime. As you can see, it says that requires like your RSA ID, so you need to put in your RSA ID and then your cell phone number, and then it's going to ask you like your more information. So from there, just head over and follow the steps, and then they'll guide you through everything. But if it seems like all too complicated for you, another way you could just do it is just head over to like their branch which is the nearest to you, and just go there and then let them know that, hey, I want to open a savings account, what should I do? And they'll let you know. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.